Shedrack, when he came back from London, started worshiping.
Hello my beautiful people, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys for always stopping by. So my new subscriber, you're highly welcome, and if you have not subscribed, subscribe, turn on the bell on in case of any time just upload any video, any update, you will be the first person to notify. And please don't forget to like, share, and also leave your comment in the comment section down below. God bless you guys as you do. Yes, my wonderful people, I'm back again with another gist and with another story. This story is a very heartbroken story, my people. It's just so bad, and this religion madness where Nigeria people they practice, my people, they need to put an end, and government need to put an end to it for real. This guy one and the see so, he named na Shedrack, and the story happened for Warri. Now there this matter for happen, my people. This guy they stay in Europe. The guy can't travel to Nigeria. That was last year. As a reach Nigeria, na Christ Embassy Church na the guy they go. As a reach Nigeria last year, the guy can't use his own car take sow seed for church. My people, that will not be problem. Na his own car, if he use his own life take sow seed for Christ Embassy, or if he donate himself to Christ Embassy, that one in your own life. The worst part where this guy come to, my people, in family house where in parents they stay, in cousin and tenants where they the house, and they see the tenant they pay house rent to. This guy can't use the property take sow seeds for Christ Embassy Church. My people, it's just so bad for real. Person come sow seed for una for them, my people, without they don't even make any requirement, without they don't even ask information. How come so person like this use this property to sow seed for church? These people, they don't even ask anything. Na all those one wey pastor dey tell say sow a seed wey go shake heaven. Na only God know how many sow a seed wey go shake heaven, wey they don blast this boy with a sow a seed wey go shake heaven, wey go shake earth. My people, I don't know the kind seed wey they sow wey go shake heaven. Now this guy use him family property give the Christ Embassy, my people. It's just so bad. Video dey wa I go show una, my people. Make una see how the family they can't even cry out for help. Okay, person come sow a seed give them, my people, without they don't even ask any information. And the parents say no about it, my people. In that day is us, and people come they go around the house. Now in that come and say, wetin dey go on. The people wey wan buy the house, they can't tell the father say, this house is belong to Christ Embassy house. Hey, my God, oh, Jesus Christ of Nazareth. The way all those our Nigeria pastors use they brainwash a lot of people for that Nigeria, all in the name that sow a seed that will shake heaven, sow a seed that will shake the earth. I don't know the kind stupid seed where they sow, where go shake heaven and shake the earth. It's just so bad, my people. And a lot of people are still listening to all these so-called pastors. A lot of people are still listening to them. I keep telling people that when you wake up in the morning, my people, now that one and the may bless you way day. Not me by to sow a seed. Not me by to sow a seed where go shake heaven and earth. Just that a lot of all those our so-called pastors, they are just deceiving a lot of people. Just imagine, and this Shedrack use family house where in parents still dey, in cousins and tenants wey still dey pay house rent for there. They inside. This guy just use the house family take sow seed for church. Haba, my people, it's just so disgusting for real. For real. Like this kind thing wey happen to this guy now for that Nigeria, e no fit take place for this western world. First of all, the police they will close that church down. Church wey dey collect property na church be that, my people. Nigeria pastors, they have turned Christianity, both Bible upside down for real. It's just so disgusting of them. Just dey deceive people. And the house wey this guy give them, wey take so seed, the person wey wan buy the house is 25 million. Make una take know, my people. These people, they no care about wetin you sow. The important thing say na money. If you give them car, that car they will go sell am. If you give them shoe, that shoe they will go sell am. For you guys to know, say they no dey after the seed wey you sow. Na about the money, na they dey after. Just imagine now, this house now, where this guy take sow seed for them, and they look for buyer wey go buy the house. It's 25 million naira, my people. Just imagine. It's just so bad for it. Well, make una watch the video. I will still come back again.
Shadrach, when he came back from London, started worshiping with Christ Embassy Warri. I was so pleased that my son becomes a Christian. But sometime unknowingly to me, the car he was using, he gave it to the church. When I asked him, he said he sowed the seed with it. Later on, information reached me that even the house, the family house, we are living now with 4 tenants, my children, and a store, that he has given it as a seed to Christ Embassy. We went to the church to see the senior pastor of Warri branch, who promised to hand over the papers to us. Running up to 1 month now, they have refused to release the hard documents presented by my son Shadrach. We have met this senior pastor who promised to release this document of the building. But a month after, still withhold the documents. We have contacted our lawyer to intervene. Our son used his car to sow seed a year ago, and now use the family house to sow seed. The family is opposed to it. Like this, we see this opportunity to appeal to Pastor Chris Oyakhilome to direct his Warri senior pastor to release the house documents. We have also reported the matter to the police station.
My people, wonders shall never end. Hey, Abba. Now, wow. How can a church accept that kind of thing? They need to release that house to the family. The guy cannot use that house to sow a seed to the church, and the end, the family will be homeless. No, it's not done. This one is just arrogance and religion, my people. Hey, now wow. That churches have caused a lot of damage to a lot of homes in that Nigeria. I don't know why the government, they are not even say anything. My people, it's just so bad for real, so pathetic. Well, my wonderful people, let me leave you guys for now. What do you think? Leave your comment in the comment section down below. See you guys on my next video. Bye bye. Ciao ciao.